What are geothermal power plants?
Geothermal power plants use heat from within the earth to generate electricity. They tap into underground reservoirs of hot water and steam, bringing that energy to the surface. This renewable source provides reliable, low-carbon electricity and comes in several types. Two widely used kinds are binary and flash geothermal power plants, each with unique technologies and requirements.
How do flash geothermal power plants work?
The flash geothermal plants use very hot, high-pressure geothermal fluids from underground reservoirs. When this fluid is brought to the surface, a drop in pressure causes some of the hot water to rapidly turn, or flash, into steam. The steam spins a turbine connected to a generator, producing electricity. Afterward, the remaining fluid and steam are injected back underground to sustain the resource.
How do binary geothermal power plants work?
Binary geothermal plants use moderately hot geothermal water that isn't hot enough to produce steam directly. Instead, the hot water passes through a heat exchanger, where its heat is transferred to a secondary fluid with a lower boiling point, such as isobutane or pentane. This secondary fluid vaporizes, spins a turbine, and generates electricity. No geothermal fluid is released into the air. The two fluids remain separate.
Key differences between flash and binary plants.
The main difference is the temperature required. Flash plants need higher temperature fluids, usually above 180 degrees Celsius, to generate steam directly. Binary plants work with lower temperatures, sometimes as low as 85 degrees Celsius. Binary plants have closed-loop systems, reducing emissions, while flash plants can emit trace gases. The choice depends on the geothermal resource's temperature and environmental considerations.
Which is more efficient?
Flash plants tend to be more efficient with very hot resources, achieving higher energy output from high-temperature steam. Binary plants are more versatile and expand geothermal use to areas with lower temperatures, but usually with slightly lower efficiency. Both play crucial roles in clean energy. Flash plants make the most of super hot fields, while binary plants unlock new regions for sustainable power.